Trying to get very quiet getting out of this campsite. It's about 8 AM currently. I think most people will be up. Very nice little retro 70s caravan that I stayed in. There's Camping Gorshuv. Hope I pronounced that right, but there's probably going to be a lot that I don't pronounce right on this trip. Right then, let's get going. Such a picturesque part of the Netherlands. Absolutely lovely. Been riding along that canal. There's like a big nature reserve, I think. Big forest, huge nature reserve, both sides. This road is just going through the centre of it. Pretty cool. Cute houses. What's going on? Some kind of love festival. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Some off-roading, boys. Even though it's a bit of sand at the end of a field, it's off-roading. We like it. Ah, tree. Nice. It's getting soft. Oh damn, that sand is soft as shit. Oops, supposed to go down there. Missed my turning. Or did I? Yes. I think I did. My bad. My bad, guys. Sorry, fisherman. Oh, I was just enjoying it too much. Now we're over here. And then left. I see, I see. There we go. Oh, that's better. A hard packed dirty sand. That's nice, that is. Just me on my own on the trail. Haven't seen another biker yet. Gotta stop missing gears. Oh, look at this. This is just stunning. This is lovely. Gorgeous, nice countryside, farmland, bit of a canal next to me, and a forest the other side. Oh, and a few trees that like to say hello. Ooh, there you go. Nice. So just set up camp, staying at a little campsite, and just getting my tent up and everything in it. And one of the neighbours came over and handed me this bag. Said they're going and coming back on Wednesday. So she said, do you fancy some beers and some snacks? We've got some marmalade and some salami and bread and butter and crackers and nice cold beer. Don't mind if I do. So I'm just doing my check over on the bike in the evening, and noticed that the bush in the brake caliper that holds it on, stopped it wobbling about, has disappeared, and that pin was loose, it was hanging out, and the R-clip's missing out of there, and the pin was hanging out from the pads as well. So currently waiting on the campsite owner to see if she's got any wire to put in that to lock it off tonight. Otherwise it's taking a little bit off my heated grips, and that'll just spin for the rest of the trip, which is annoying, but better than a brake pad pin going through my spoke and ruining everything. Bye piggies. I've just been to a lovely little Kawasaki dealer. Really big shop, really nice. Really nice staff as well, and the guy helped me out. He had the parts I needed. He didn't want to charge me anything for them. Let me use the workshop for free. All his tools and everything. So I really appreciate that. So I greased it all up, put the new bush in, put the pin in. It's all back safe and sound. And I slipped him a little €20 just to say thanks. But yeah, all in all, very nice people. Love the Dutch. Dakar. This is nuts. Just these fast sandy roads by the side of a canal. I've been going for like 10 kilometres easy on this. Woo! Windmill. Beautiful. So here I am at the end of the Netherlands stint. Once I cross this bridge, I am in Germany. There we go. Now in Deutschland. Awesome. Woo! This is the first bit of gravel I've found in Germany in probably like 100 kilometres. Finally, I can stand up in the pegs and do something different than just riding along roads. Oh wait, is that a road? Oh yeah, that's a road, yeah. Okay, that's fun while it lasted. Having to let myself out of a little work zone. A digger over there, the nice German man told me that I could come through, which was kind of him. So, I mean, he didn't speak any English, but he said that I could go this way, and then did some hand gestures, and he said something about opening this barrier. So yeah, nice of him. Saves me turning around. Bit of a tunnel run. Woo! Little forest section. Hey boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Lane I just found. Well, so the track goes on. Turning into a bit of a single track now. There are a couple of land cruisers earlier, but I forgot to film them. They let me by. Some overlander things. Pretty cool. Highlights of the day, I think. Woo! And an open field. Woo! Lots of holes. Whee! little ferry thing's closed temporarily. That's a shame. I wanted to sail along that. It would have been quite cool. Just got to take the road, loading up onto a ferry to get across the river something, just north of Hamburg. Oh, exciting!